If we relate to Him as Redeemer, we will experience the liberation in our life. John was a very successful preacher. He could have kept all name and fame for himself, which is natural to any human person, and no one would have any objection to it. John's disciples wanted to deal with the case of Jesus, who apparently came as a challenge to John's ministry. He could have had tried to cling to his success, but he chose a different path. He understood that his ministry has no relevance were it not for God's plan to send His only Son into the world. His ministry, position, and success did not make any sense apart from Jesus. He was just a voice that does not have any relevance without the speaker. He was the best man of bridegroom who enjoys a privileged place as long as bridegroom is there. We need to ask ourselves, is there anything that I can claim in my life which is not from God? We hear St. Paul telling us, what do you have that you did not receive? If then you received it, why do you boast as if you did not receive it? 1 Corinthians chapter 4:7. St. James has also similar exhortation. Every good gift and every perfect gift is coming from above, coming down from the Father of lights, with whom there is no variation or shadow due to change. James 1:17. Giving credit to Jesus and thanking for His work in our life would be the right attitude which would bring fulfillment and success to our life in this world. We will be able to give thanks and all credit to God for our life, ministry, success and achievements only when we have right relationship with Christ. What is your relationship with Christ? Just as it was with John, the way we define our relationship to Christ affects the way we talk about Him. For some, it is more comfortable to see Jesus only as the baby at Christmas, or the one who called us friends, or as even as the groom who desires his bride. But we hold on to those truths without letting go of the fact that Jesus is also a teacher, master, redeemer, Lord of Lords, King of Kings, Creator, and God the Son. All these realities about and titles of Jesus have some influence on us and our entire life. They become so real that they signify, if at all we develop the right relationship with Him. If we relate to Him as a teacher, He will teach us everything. If we relate to Him as Redeemer, we will experience the liberation in our life. If we relate to Him as a King, we will experience that He takes control of our entire life. He will have ownership and accountability for our life. We can have all these kinds of relationships with God if at all we approach Him as a child approaches his father, a student approaches his teacher, master, or a head of the family as a reverential figure, etc. We need a strong relationship with Jesus so that we can sail through all the troubles of this life. Let us pray for the right relationship that we need with Jesus at this point of time in history.